Hey guys, we're going to look at a new pattern. It's called ABB Pattern. All right, so let's look at it. Let's look. We have black, blue, blue, black, blue, blue. We call it ABB, ABB. Now, these things could be, it could be any type of object. It could be banana, apple, apple, banana, apple, apple, or it could be star, heart, heart, star, heart, heart. But today we're going to use blocks. So our pattern is black, blue, blue, black, blue, blue. So let's look at this one. We're going to look at some that have a block missing. All right, so look here for our ABB pattern. It's black, blue, blue. And then right here, we're going to continue the pattern, but we're going to kind of figure out what's missing. Black, blue, blue, black. Good. So we would have to add a black block right here to keep our ABB pattern. Black, blue, blue, black, blue, blue. Good. Get another one. Here we have our ABB pattern again. Black, blue, blue, black, blue, blue. Very good. So let's move right there. Go to the next one. Our ABB pattern. Black, blue, blue, black, blue, blue. Good. Let's move it in the right way. Good. All right, so remember, it doesn't have to be a black Lego and a blue Lego. It can be any colors as long as the pattern is 1, 1, 1. So like ABB, ABB. One object and then two of the same objects.